Hi, today I will show you how you can make Christmas tree like this. For this you need DC fan from old computer, pen, pencil or something similar, CR battery holder, CR battery, some LEDs, tinned copper wires what you can get from inductors, hot glue stick, and some resistors of about 200 ohms, and also solder. Let's start by drawing how it should look. From inductors we can take quite stiff tinned copper wires that we will use to hold our Christmas tree. So, schematics looks like this. You have to connect battery to resistor and resistor to LED. It's important that you connect LED's anode to resistor and cathode to ground. You can see that anode has longer leg than cathode. So we will use stiff tinned copper wires from inductors to hold LEDs and resistors. Cut them to different length. If you don't have wire stripping tool, you can use sharp scalpel to remove insulation. So this is one branch of Christmas tree. For Christmas tree body we will use this pen. Attach all branches to Christmas tree body. Then I connected all the grounds together. After that I soldered all resistors to battery. You can also use stiff tinned copper wire because you have to be careful not to short out with the ground connection. Then take CR battery holder and insert battery to test if everything works. If all LEDs light up without problem, it's time to hot glue everything together. And again insert battery and check that LEDs light up. If you don't have power supply unit, you can take 9-volt battery. Just pull out red and black wire and the DC fan should start to spin. So this is how the first part looks when it's finished. In second part we will add some decorations. To blink LEDs I use simple multi-vibrator schematic. Here we have again resistor in series with LED, but we also added an NPN transistor which will be used as switch. When one transistor is on, capacitor is connected to ground and the other transistor closes. Now resistor charges capacitor and the second transistor will open after RC time constant. I soldered this simple schematic on prototype board. I used 220 microfarad capacitors and 22 kilo ohms resistor. I will use these small SMD LEDs, but of course you can choose larger as well. So carefully place them so the LED doesn't short with other connections. This is how I connected them and it works really well. And I attached that to Christmas tree base, so it looks like this. Again, insert battery and check how it looks. But what is do-it-yourself project without Arduino? So let's improve this project even more. I will use wireless power transfer to light up LEDs with Arduino. First, let's make inductor with size of our DC fan. You can calculate the inductance from this formula, but better use some LCR meter to measure it after you're finished. This definitely is not the best way to make inductor, but it works for this project. To transfer power efficiently over wireless, we have to use resonance. You can calculate the capacitor from this formula. Capacitor in series with inductor to my Arduino. With Arduino you can make variable frequency signal output with 50% duty cycle. The second part consists of inductor and capacitor in parallel, and the load will be 2 diodes. Again, make inductor and then calculate the capacitor from resonance formula. Let's test how this works by writing simple Arduino sketch that sweeps through frequencies. As you can see, the frequency is increasing, but LED only lights up at resonance frequency. Let's test a bit how good this works with Arduino. As you can see, there is no problem to light up LEDs even at larger distances, and it's really interesting to play with this around. Primary side coil will be around DC fan, and the secondary side will rotate with the Christmas tree. I also used yellow wire from DC fan as input to Arduino to measure when the DC fan rotates. When DC fan makes one full rotation, the Arduino gets 2 signals which will generate interrupts, and we can synchronize how LEDs light up. So thank you for watching and enjoy.